practice Buddhist, and this in Buddhist Abhidharma said the center of the universe is the Mount Meru. Actually, Buddhist Abhidharma doesn't say that. This is the center of Earth, not the universe. And for the universe, there's the unlimited. It might have different universes also. They may overlap. So in Abhidharma, there's some kind of a description about the world. And Abhidharma says different thing. Kala Chakra says different thing. And many sutta says different things. Each sutta says the world like this, and other sutta says different things. And in the end, Buddha said, there's no one explanation about the world. It depends on the perceiver. And then we have the Mount Meru. So in the Abhidharma itself says, we cannot see Mount Meru. So there's different layers of the God realm. The Mount Meru belongs to first God realm. So the lower realm cannot see the upper one. So for me, these many different things